This is your Friday math. Okay, listen very carefully. Today you're going to put some things together and you are going to show me, prove to me that you have learned some stuff in math. Okay, watch the video. Hello, nothing new. Then it says on slide 3, complete the number of the day for that number. I'm not going to say it because that's part of the test. So for that number. So here's slide 3. This is what it looks like. So you're going to do this on the computer this time. You're not going to do it on paper and take a picture of it. Not today. You are going to do this on the computer. So here is your number. It is I know I did that on purpose so you can't hear. So there is your number. So up here in expanded form, you're going to type the expanded form equation for that number. Now I will give you a tiny hint. Expanded form is going to be something 100 plus something in the tens plus those ones. So you are going to have 3 different numbers that you're going to add together into an equation for expanded form. Okay, and how you get to do that is, see the little gray bubble here? You are going to double click on it, click, click. You're going to do 2 clicks really fast, and then it will highlight the box, but then it will also make your cursor blink at you. See, there's the cursor. It's ready for you to type. So for example, if the expanded form looked like this, which it does not. This is totally wrong. Do not copy me. And then in order to get the plus symbol, you're going to hold your shift key down, and then there is a key that's up at the top next to your backspace or delete button. It's got a plus on top and an equals on the bottom. So in order to get the plus, you have to hold the shift down, type the plus, there's another number, another plus, another number, equals, and whatever the number is. So notice that is the very, very, very wrong expanded form for the number that you have to do. But I just want you to see the example of what I'm looking for. All right, that's expanded form. Okay. Hundreds, tens, and ones over here in this little corner. I've given you a whole bunch of base 10 blocks. That's what these are called. They're all over here on the side. All you have to do is click on it so that you get the squares, and then click and drag it where you want it to go. So however many hundreds belong here that goes with our number, click on a tens, and then click and drag however many tens belong over there, and then click and drag on the ones, however many ones go over here. So you're going to click and drag the number of hundreds for this number, the number of tens, and then the ones. And you're going to drag them all over there. Okie dokie. All right, so I'm going to put those back. There you go. And, okay, written form. So this is written form. You're going to type this number, and I will have that slide up that has all the spellings for the number. So I will have that up for you that you can use, but you will type whatever the spelled out written version of our number is. That's what's going to go in this box. And then your own math equation here. Please do an interesting equation. And again, if you want to be able to type, if you click once, you're just going to get the shape to highlight with the little blue squares, and see how there's no cursor. If you want to type in it, you have to go click, click. So you have to click twice in order to get the cursor. And then make your own interesting equation. Please don't give me an equation that is a version of the expanded form over here. Give me a whole different equation, please. Okay, next step. Go on to the next slide. This is your math test that you will be taking today. You need to make sure you write the problems on paper and solve them first. So just like we did yesterday, I made you write them on paper, and then I made you take a picture of that paper and turn it in. You will be doing that, so don't lose accidentally. I'm doing air quotes. Don't accidentally lose your scratch paper or the paper that you use to write all the problems on, or you will have a serious problem when it comes to Fun Friday in just a little bit. Okay? Got it, got it? You must write the problems on paper first. All right. So, when you click on this, you'll get this little blue link. If you click on the little blue link, it will take you to this addition with regrouping test. Type your name. Please type your real name, Daniel. Please do not type a nickname. Please type your real name. Thank you very much. Okay, so write this equation on paper, solve it, and then type your answer. Obviously, that's not the right answer, so don't copy me. So you're going to solve all of these problems. Yes, it'll take you just a little bit of time, but this is all we're doing for our math chunk today. This is it. When we're done with the test, we're ready to move on. And then make sure that you click the submit down at the bottom. If you don't click that submit when you're all finished, I will never get your answers, which means during Fun Friday, you're going to be stuck doing this quiz all over again. Okie dokie. All right. And then make sure that you look at your score. Okay, so when you're all done and you click submit, make sure you click view score. That way you know how you did. Okay, and then you have one more. So here's the math test. You've got one more slide. This is where you're going to take a picture of the paper that you used to solve all of those problems on the test. Take a picture of it, pop it in here. Please make sure it is a clear picture so that I can see all of your problems. And then when you're all done, go back to Google Classroom and click Turn In. Good luck. Go get your Friday math done.